Judge Amy Coney Barrett is poised to succeed the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg to become the 115th Justice of the Supreme Court. Joining me now to talk more about the significance of Judge Barrett's expected addition to the High Court is Catherine Hadro, host of EWTN Pro-Life Weekly. Catherine, welcome back. Always so good to see you. Let's talk about this moment, the confirmation of Judge Amy Coney Barrett to the Supreme Court. What does it mean for the pro-life movement?
Tracy, I cannot overstate the significance of this day. I think Senator Lindsey Graham, the chair of the Senate Judiciary Committee, said it well the other week during confirmation hearings that this is historic. This is the first time a pro-life woman who embraces her faith has been nominated to the court. She is going to have a seat at the table. And I think this signals to other pro-life and Catholic women that their voice is relevant and significant. When it comes to future rulings on abortion, we'll all be closely watching to see what a Justice Barrett would mean. But any suggestion that because she is Catholic and because she supports the church's teachings on life would mean she would not be fair or impartial, that's simply not true. Justices are not result-oriented. But the fact that she is a constitutionalist seems to imply that she does respect the constitutional right to life, and that is something that pro-lifers are celebrating.
Catherine, what impact do you think this is going to have on the presidential election?
One issue to look out for related to Barrett's confirmation today is this notion of court packing, of adding on more than 9 justices to the Supreme Court to change its ideological makeup. Joe Biden has said that he is not a fan of court packing, but it is something that he is open to, especially given Barrett's confirmation. It's something we're hearing more and more from Democratic lawmakers, even moderate Democrat lawmakers. So as significant as today is, with Justice Barrett going to the Supreme Court, and I don't want to lose sight of that, her voice would carry less weight if a President Biden were to add more justices who have a differing jurisprudence. But Tracy, just a few days ago, a new poll came out, a Marist poll, which revealed this is very unpopular with American voters. 60% of Americans and 1/3 of Democrats oppose court packing. So this could be an issue that drives voters to the polls.
Catherine, what's the response been from the abortion lobby towards Judge Barrett? What are we hearing?
Well, it's not surprising, but it is still disappointing that the abortion lobby is protesting Judge Amy Coney Barrett going to the Supreme Court. They're really painting this dystopian picture of what a Justice Barrett would mean. Last week, we saw the Women's March in D.C. protest Judge Barrett, a women's march protesting a woman's success. You just cannot make this up. But we're also hearing from a lot of celebrities commenting in pop culture about Judge Barrett and the future of Roe v. Wade. Stevie Nicks, rock star Stevie Nicks of Fleetwood Mac fame, just the other week gave a heartbreaking interview to The Guardian in which she said she would not have gained success if it were not for her own abortion. And Tracy, that was heartbreaking to hear because I think today, with Amy Coney Barrett going to the Supreme Court, that squashes the lie that abortion is ever necessary for success. Here we have this woman, a Catholic mother of 7, achieving the highest level of success in her field. Success can take many forms, but it never requires an abortion. And I just wish more women, all women, were celebrating this great achievement today with Judge Barrett going to the Supreme Court.
Well, Catherine, thank you so much for coming on. Always great talking with you. And a reminder that you can watch EWTN Pro-Life Weekly Thursdays at 10 p.m. And for other airing times, visit our website, EWTN.com.
Thanks, Tracy.